Fact, a landmark 2018 study found that facial recognition systems misgendered up to 35% of darker-skinned women compared to error rates under 1% for lighter-skinned men. That gap isn't accidental. It highlights how AI inherits biases from the data it's trained on. If the dataset is skewed, for example, overrepresenting lighter-skinned individuals, the system performs well for those groups but fails others. Bias in AI isn't limited to facial recognition. In hiring, algorithms can favor candidates whose resumes match historical patterns, often disadvantaging women or people returning from career breaks. In healthcare, predictive tools trained on inequitable data may underestimate the needs of marginalized communities. These are technical systems with very human consequences. When it misidentifies faces or prioritizes health or job outcomes unfairly, the impact can be profound. The problem isn't just data, it's also design. If development teams are homogeneous and miss certain perspectives, those blind spots become baked into the code. That's why diversity, not tokenism, is essential in AI teams. So what can be done? 1. Transparency. AI creators need audits and open reports on bias. If an algorithm affects hiring, policing, or care, people deserve to know how decisions are made. 2. Diverse teams and inclusive datasets. Representation at every stage of development helps catch blind spots before they explode at scale. 3. Accountability. When bias is detected, organizations must act. That may mean fixing data, retraining models, or even temporarily pausing deployment. The bright side? Thoughtfully designed AI can also boost inclusion. Adaptive learning tools, communication supports for neurodivergent thinkers, and accessibility-driven features work far better when trained with diversity in mind. AI shouldn't be abandoned because it can hurt, but it must be used more responsibly. Let's remember, AI isn't neutral. It reflects the best and the worst of our human systems. This has been your Neurodivergent Coffee 5, shining a light on how AI can both mirror and amplify bias, and how fairness starts with mindful design.